Do you feel sometimes you are not just good enough? Do you also wonder whether people like you or not? Have you ever wondered what your life would be like if you start loving yourself more? There was a time when I also had struggled with not loving myself enough. I never did things for myself and the things which are needed for my growth. Instead, I tried to make people in my surrounding happier and more comfortable. I'm sure that characteristic many people struggle with. I always used to think how to impress others and how to get them like me. My confidence was non existent. And then I realized I need to change my attitude and mindset to change my life. I need to love myself to attract all the good in my life. And then I decided to pursue my passion, which I am doing right now. The more I love myself, more determination I feel towards doing what I love. So here I am with 9 ways to love yourself more. First, love through affirmations. Try to start your day by writing down positive affirmations. You can even try to write 10 things which you love about yourself. This is not only a great way to start your day but also to reflect on things you truly love about yourself instead of thinking about anything negative. Some of my favorite affirmations are: I'm worthy, I'm strong, I'm successful, I'm confident and courageous, I'm born for greatness, I am capable of achieving greatness, I love myself, I am a person of unlimited self-esteem. Second, stop comparing. Can you admit that you have looked at someone else and said, I wish I was as pretty as her, or wow, I had nice car like that? In order to love yourself, you need to stop comparing and start appreciating. It's so easy to accidentally compare yourself with others without even realizing what you actually are. Comparison steals your peace and happiness. You also have to remember, we don't all walk the same path. We have gone through some difficulties to get where we are today. Be proud of yourself, every step of your way. Third, it's important to do things you love. If you want to love yourself, start doing things you love and enjoy. I have always wanted to create a difference in the world, however I can. However, I was always scared and felt that I wasn't prepared for big steps. But starting my own channel is a way for me to do what I love doing, and honestly, it helps a lot. Fourth, have self-care dates by yourself. I'm a huge fan of self-care, and I think it's important when it comes to learning how to love yourself, to practice self-care. One thing I like is do stuff just by myself. At first I felt strange, but taking time alone helped to build my confidence and help me be okay with being by myself. I love who I am, and I love spending time by myself. What dates can you do by yourself? See a movie, go out to eat, go for a walk or hike, go for a run, go to gym, take spa, etc. Fifth, eliminate your limiting beliefs and change your mindset. I encourage you to change your mindset and reword your thinking. You truly are what you think you are. Try. I'll be successful and have a job I love. I'm not worthless. I'm worthy of love and achieving heights. And I am capable of having a life I love. I am qualified to achieve my dreams. Believing in myself and in my abilities was a complete game changer. I am telling you, a positive mindset is the best mindset to have. Sixth, celebrate all your wins, both big and small. I can't stress this enough. It's so easy to feel like we aren't making any progress, and it can be extremely defeating. But when we take a step back and actually realize the progress we have made since the beginning, it can be eye-opening. In order to love yourself again, make sure you are celebrating all your wins. Every step of the way is worth celebrating. It makes a huge difference when it comes to your self-esteem and falling in love with yourself again. Seventh, love yourself through journaling. Journaling daily can really help you reconnect with yourself. It also brings out those inner thoughts that might be holding you back or blocking you from loving yourself completely. Different journaling exercises can help you let go of all the negativity and really learn how to love yourself again. 8. Try something new and do something that scares you. Have you ever been wanting to try something new but maybe fear held you back? It's time to become fearless. I find that trying something new can create this new sense of, damn, I'm brave. There is something so empowering about facing your fears. I encourage you to do something that you are afraid to do. 9. Practice healthy habits daily. I'll be the first to admit that my habits weren't always the healthiest. Once I started to change my habits like drinking more water, get enough sleep, be active when I can, these little changes in my everyday routine made a huge difference when it came to my mental health and feeling happier each day. I also started to feel good about myself and really love who I am. So that's all I have to say. Try to practice these on regular basis. I am also practicing these. After all, who doesn't want positive changes in their life? As always, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.